Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Kanyolo. Remember, we are sweet meal for 5. So today I have an amazing recipe. I'll be showing you guys how to prepare mashed bananas. Then we'll serve them with wet fry, goat meat. So let's get to the kitchen. We see the ingredients we are having. Red meat, this is goat meat. We have bananas. And these are the spices I'll be using. I have beef masala, some ROYCO cubes, salt, soy sauce. So first we'll boil the meat, and as the meat boils, I will be peeling these bananas over here. So guys, let's first peel the bananas, then the other things will fall. So here we have our bananas. I put them to boil. As they boil, I will be preparing all this. So we start with washing the tomatoes. So peel carrots. After the onions, next you can do, but you can do the way you want. For me, this is how I usually do it. When I'm through with the onions, cutting the onions, and I have the green pepper, or whatever the type of pepper, it's the one that follows. This is carrots. For carrots, we are going to slice, but I'll use this to slice the carrots. in the tomatoes. This is, guys, as you can see, our meat is ready, and here we have our bananas boiling. They are almost. So for the meat, I'm going to add onions. Then I will also add my green pepper. After adding, you need to stir. So the next thing to add is the tomatoes. But at this point, you don't need to stir. You just cover up. So now, guys, as you can see, our bananas are ready. They've already cooked very well. So the next thing, I will drain water. So I'm draining water. So when you are draining, you make sure you don't drain all the water. You keep some. So I will add a little bit of salt. Just for tasting. You add just salt for tasting. I'll also add the bluebird for taste, just to taste. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mash, and I'm using this like this. So guys, let's do this. I'll show you the final. Guys, here is our mashed banana. So for you to get good results, you need to cook your bananas kabisa, zinaiva kabisa. You make sure they are cooked until they are soft, very soft. Now here is our stew. It's almost ready. I've already added my spices, but we just need to put a little of the spices. Usiweke mingi. Kieka spices mingi, tena kunde nayo ladha inapotea. Yeah, taste itapotea. So you need to put just a little for tasting only. So guys, this is my meal. I've prepared mashed bananas served with the beef stew for goat and some greens here. Let me enjoy my meal. As you can see, guys, look delicious. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to Sweet Meal for 5. I'll meet to the next one. Bye.
Sweet meals for 5.